How to log into CBIZ EMS Payroll. Hello CBIZ EMS users. Ready to access your payroll information? You are in the right place. In this guide, I will walk you through the simple steps to log into CBIZ EMS Payroll system. So we can get started. Simply open your default web browser in your device and type CBIZ EMS Payroll login in the search bar. Hit enter to begin the search and look for the official CBIZ EMS website. Then you can click on the link that directs you to the CBIZ EMS login page. Once on the login page, you'll find fields to enter your username and password. Enter your username and then password in the designated fields. Ensure that you're using the correct credentials associated with your CBIZ EMS Payroll account. Double-check your entries to avoid any typos or errors in your login information. After entering your username and password, simply click on Sign In or Login button to proceed. If the credentials you provided are accurate, then you'll be successfully logged into your CBIZ EMS Payroll account. Upon logging in, you'll gain access to your payroll information, including pay stubs, tax documents, and other related details. Navigate through the various features and services offered by CBIZ EMS Payroll system to manage your payroll efficiently. And this is how you log into CBIZ EMS Payroll account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.